Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix mobile hotspot problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Suppose your mobile hotspot is not showing in other devices, you can fix by following this video. See here, I am going to turn on mobile hotspot now, and I have turned on mobile hotspot, and I am checking this mobile hotspot in another devices. So I bring another devices here and I go to Wi-Fi and long press on the Wi-Fi, searching for networks. If it's not showing your mobile hotspot here, there may be some misconfiguration in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. You go to rectify that. For that, go to settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to connections, and here select mobile hotspot and tethering, and click over mobile hotspot, and here click on band. Just click on it, and here a band is set to 5 gigahertz. Preferred devices that don't support 5 gigahertz won't be able to find or connect to your hotspot. So the devices the device other device should also support this 5 gigahertz, otherwise other device may not find this device. Okay, so this may be the problem. Just click on it and select 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, now check in your hotspot in other device. I am checking, still it's not showing. Searching for networks, and then now click on advanced. Then here check this option, hidden network. Your network may be hidden if you turn on this button. Okay, maybe by accidentally it may be turned on. Okay, so you may not aware of it. So now you have to turn off this button. Okay, now go to your other device and check. I am checking on other device. Okay, click on save first. Click on save, then check. I am checking on other device. Just I am waiting. Yes, now it has been detected. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix mobile hotspot problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.